Okay, getting in some breaking news now. Some more breaking news of, let me just look that up. We're getting in breaking news of Captain Amrinder Singh's message. Captain Amrinder Singh has urged the group BKU, Ekta Ugrahan Group, that's the group that is planning to go ahead with its rally to the Delhi borders. Captain Amrinder Singh asking them not to move to the borders, calling it a potential COVID super spreader event. Rejecting charges of pandemic mismanagement by his government, Punjab government, saying that they tackled it better, saying that they've stood with farmers in anti-farm laws protests, but now is not the time. Now is the time for everyone to support and not the time to protest, Amandeep.
Exactly, Niranjan. This is the first time that Captain Amrinder Singh has come up with such kind of statement. Otherwise, he always advocates the farm laws protest. And just because the Ekta Ugraha is the group that belongs to the Malwa region of Punjab, and they have announced to go for the Delhi border in a massive number to join the protest on 26th of May, that the Kisan unions have given the call. And in fact, now Captain Amrinder Singh himself asking them, appealing them not to gather there just because they are turning to be the COVID spreader. Just because the Punjab has witnessed the maximum number of cases, the major contributors are from the villages. And these are the people who are joining the protest. They are having the movement from Delhi to Punjab villages and again Punjab villages to Delhi borders. So they are the spreaders of COVID-19, and this is the concern of Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. And in fact, the other reason behind this is the Ekta Ugraha group has also announced the protest to Gherao, the Patiala, that is the home turf of Captain Amrinder Singh, just because of mismanagement of COVID-19. And he also tried to justify his position that Punjab has performed far much better than the other states regarding the COVID-19 and tackled it in a very nice manner and in a very calculative manner. So now he is the one who is coming up and asking the Kisan unions not to go to the Delhi border, stay at their homes, stay at their villages to concern about the COVID-19. But these Kisan unions, Niranjan, I must tell you, they are very much adamant. They are not going to listen anyone. They'll definitely go from Punjab to Delhi borders and join the protest. They are going to ignore the appeal of Captain Amrinder Singh. But now the question arises that either the captain will take any kind of harsh action against them who are not following the line of the state government, following the pandemic restrictions, or the Captain Amrinder still in a very polite manner to these farmers just because the elections are ahead in 2022 and this is a massive vote bank in Punjab. So this is a very complicated situation for Punjab as well as for the Congress in Punjab, that how to deal with situation. On one side there is a COVID-19 situation and farmers are turning the super spreaders, and on the other side the elections are ahead. So either the Punjab state is going to restrict their movement or they will be free to move to the Delhi border. Yes, Neil.
Yeah, thank you for all that. Let's see whether they listen to Captain Amrinder Singh or not. It's a very bizarre situation. 2 farmers have died at the Delhi borders because of COVID-19. Despite all the warnings, thank you for that. Keeping a close watch. In fact, they've started, we had those pictures. If we can pull out those pictures, let's show the pictures as well of the rally that they started from Punjab. This morning, we had some pictures of farmers moving in from Punjab. We'll pull in those pictures just to give our viewers an idea of what was going on. There are thousands of them moving towards the Delhi borders. This morning, we had some pictures of them gathering on a highway. Those are the pictures on your screen. Those are pictures on your screen, full frame. Let's go to them full frame. Look at those pictures. Not wearing a mask. Not wearing a mask, and it hasn't peaked in Punjab yet. COVID-19 hasn't peaked in Punjab yet, and they're all moving towards the Delhi borders. 2 farmers have died, and we don't know how many more are infected. And at the Singhu border, the so-called farmer leaders won't even allow the media to go in. And when we went in there and we reported about how many thousands of farmers were inside, we were targeted. Even the captain Amrinder Singh, the Punjab Chief Minister, is asking them not to go ahead. This is not the time to protest. In fact, he himself has called it a super spreader event. After captain calls it a super spreader event, will they still go ahead? It's a very, very tricky situation. Thank you for that, Amandeep.